Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Please subscribe to the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I am going to talk about Bank of India current account. Current account. A current account, also known as a demand deposit account, is a bank account that's designed to help manage your income and daily spending. It's often used by people who have a high volume of transactions, such as businessmen, traders, and service providers. Bank of India is ranked among the leading public sector banking companies in India, which provides personalized financial and banking solutions. A current account is a type of demand deposit account which includes deposits, withdrawals of funds, and business transactions. A current account is meant for business professionals or business enterprise and those who deal with huge transactions on a regular basis. A current account allows business people to carry out unlimited transactions without any limit. This article explains the procedure for opening a Bank of India current account in detail. Eligibility criteria. Any of the following business entities can open a current account in Bank of India: individuals, partnership firms, proprietorship firms, private and public limited companies, HUFs, specified associates, societies, trusts, clubs, etc. In order to get their accounts opened, customers submit completely filled and duly signed account opening form with self-attested copies of their specified documents, the officially valid documents, OVD, and registration certificate or licenses issued, GST certificates, etc. as a proof of identity and address proof and proof of running business. Bank of India Star Normal Current Account. Bank of India Star Normal Current Account features low monthly average balance of rupees 10,000 for metro branches, rupees 5,000 for urban branches, and for rupees 2,000 for semi-urban or and rural branches. Cash withdrawal up to 50 rupees 50,000 per day at other than base branch. Free collection of NFT RTGS and free NFT RTGS payment through net banking. Free personal accident insurance cover of rupees 50 lakhs per individual for individual and proprietorship current account. Bank of India Gold Current Account. Bank of India Gold Current Account features monthly average balance over rupees 50,000 to up to rupees 2 lakhs. Cash withdrawal up to rupees 1 lakh per day at other than base branch. Free collection of NFT and RTGS and free NFT and RTGS payment through net banking. 50% waiver on processing charges on retail loans. Restatement of account twice in a month. Waiver of AMC charges on Demat account for first year. Free 25 check leaves per month. Free personal accident insurance cover of rupees 75 lakhs per individual for individual and proprietorship current account. Bank of India Diamond Current Account. Bank of India Diamond Current Account features monthly average balance over rupees 2 lakh to up to rupees 10 lakhs. Cash withdrawal up to rupees 1 lakh per day at other than base branch. Free collection of NFT, RTGS and free NFT or RTGS payment through net banking. Nil processing charges on retail loans. Free statements of account twice in a month. Waiver of AMC charges on Demat account for first 2 years. Nil charges for making demand draft and pay order. Free ATM come debit card. Free check leaves. Free personal accident insurance cover of rupees 100 lakhs per individual for individual and proprietorship current account. Bank of India Platinum Current Account. Bank of India Platinum Current Account. Features: monthly average balance over rupees 10 lakhs. Cash withdrawal up to rupees 1 lakh per day at other than base branch. Free collection of NFT and RTGS and free NFT RTGS payment through net banking. Nil processing charges on retail loans. Free statements of account twice in a month. Waiver of AMC charges on Demat account for first 2 years. Nil charges for making demand draft or pay order. Free ATM cum debit card. Free check slips. Relationship manager available. Branch head. Free accident personal accidental insurance cover of rupees 100 lakhs per individual for individual and proprietorship current account. Bank of India Current Plus Account. Bank of India Current Plus Account. Scheme available at all CBS branches. Eligible individual, corporates, proprietorship and partnership other than banks. Initial deposit rupees 6 lakhs. Minimum average quarterly balance rupees 5 lakhs AQB at plus minimum balance of rupees 1 lakhs in TDR. Sweep in transfer back to CD account from TDR account daily. Sweep out transfer from CD account to TDR account every after 15 days. Multiple amount sweep out rupees 1 lakhs. Period of deposit 15 days to 90 days. Rate of interest as applicable to deposit rate of interest. Charges of non-maintaining minimum AQB rupees 500 plus per quarter plus applicable service tax. Bank of India Super Current Plus Account. Bank of India Plus Current Plus Account features. Scheme available at all Bank of India branches. Eligible individual, corporates, proprietorship and partnership other than banks. Initial deposit rupees 50 lakhs. Minimum average quarterly balance rupees 35 lakhs AQB plus minimum balance of rupees 15 lakhs in TDR. Sweep in transfer back to CD account from TDR account daily. Sweep out transfer from CD account to TDR account daily. Multiple amount sweep out rupees 15 lakhs. Period of deposit 15 days to maximum 1 year. Rate of interest as applicable to deposit of rupees 15 lakhs and above. Charges of non-maintaining minimum AQB rupees 5,000 per quarter plus applicable service tax. Bank of India Star Rera Plus Account. Bank of India Star Rera Plus Account features. Net banking with only view facility available. Auto transfer of clear balance in RCA as per mandate given by the account holder and balance to OA will be done by system daily during end of day operation. Collect single check or remittance from buyer in single collection account. Rera project account which they need to furnish to the state Rera authorities remains an exclusive and dedicated account. Rera Plus account enables developer or builder to easily comply with Rera norms as the bank splits with collection proceeds on their behalf on the collection of itself. Facility of opening NRE and NRO current account in Bank of India also available. KYC documents for opening of current accounts. Proof of identity. Proof of identity of the provider or trader or professional or institution or association, etc. through officially valid documents, that is proof of possession of Aadhaar card, voter ID issued by the Election Commission of India, passport within validity, driving license within validity, job card issued by NREGA, duly signed by an officer of the state government, letter issued by the National Population Register containing details of name and address, proof of address for an individual and professionally self-employed, telephone bill, landline or postpaid and electricity bill, proof of address for business, receipt of property tax, water tax, telephone bill, landline or postpaid, 10. Tax deduction and collection account, allotment letter by the income tax, property registration documents, property tax or water tax bills, title deeds to the property or rental registration documents, existing bank account statements, proof of existence of business, documents for sole proprietorship firms. In addition to the officially valid documents taken for identity and address proof, any two of the following documents as a proof of business or activity in the name of the proprietary firm shall also be obtained. Proprietorship letter in bank's format, OBDs of the proprietor, power of attorney if any granted by the proprietor, registration certificate including Uddam registration certificate issued by the government, certificate or license issued by the municipal authorities under Shop and Establishment Act, sales and income tax returns, CST or VAT or GST certificate, provisional or final, certificate or registration document issued by sales tax professional tax authorities, IEC Importer Exporter Code issued to the proprietary concern by the office of the DGFT or license or certificate of practice issued in the name of the proprietary concern by any professional body incorporated under a statute. Complete income tax return, not just the acknowledgement in the name of the sole proprietor where the firm's income is reflected, duly authenticated or acknowledged by the income tax authorities. Utility bills such as electricity, water, landline, telephone or postpaid mobile bills, etc. Note: in cases where the branch is satisfied that it is not possible to furnish two such documents, branches may at their discretion accept only one of those documents as proof of business or activity, provided branch undertakes contact point verification and collects such other information and clarification as would be required to establish the existence of such firm and shall confirm and satisfy itself that the business activity has been verified from the address of the proprietary concern. Documents for company accounts. For opening an account of a company, certified copies of each of the following documents or the equivalent e-documents thereof shall be obtained. Certificate of incorporation, memorandum and article of association, permanent account number of the company, a resolution from the board of directors to open the account and conveying authority to operate the account, power of attorney if any granted by the company to transact on its behalf, an OBD in respect of person holding a power of attorney, certificate of commencement of business for public limited companies, list of present directors of the company and OBD of each director, a list of authorized signatories with the signatures duly authorized by the chairman or secretary, list of shareholders and beneficial owners in case of unlisted companies, documents for partnership firms. For opening an account of a partnership firm, the certified copies of each of the following documents or the equivalent e-documents thereof shall be obtained. Registration certificate, partnership letter in bank's format, and partnership deed, permanent account number of the partnership firm, power of attorney, if any, granted by the firm to transact business on its behalf, nobody in respect of the person holding under attorney to transact on its behalf, documents for trust account. For opening an account of trust, certified copies of each of the following documents or the equivalent e-documents thereof shall be obtained. Registration certificate, trust deed, permanent account number, PAN or form number 60 of the trust. Branch to additionally generate civil report which contains name, address, mobile number, past as well as existing facilities available from banking system. Documents related to beneficial owner, managers, officers or employees as the case may be, holding an attorney to transact on its behalf. The names of the beneficiaries, trustees, settlor and authors of the trust. The address of the registered office of the trust and the list of trustees and documents. Documents for unincorporated association or a body of individuals accounts. For opening an account of an unincorporated association or a body of individuals, certified copies of each of the following documents or the equivalent e-documents thereof shall be obtained. Resolution of the managing body of such association or a body of individuals. Permanent account number or form number 60 of the unincorporated association or a body of individuals. Power of attorney granted to transact on its behalf. Such information as may be required by the bank to collectively establish the legal existence of such an association or body of individuals. Documents relating to beneficial owner, managers, officers or employees as the case may be, holding an attorney to transact on its behalf. Note: unregistered trust or partnership firms shall be included under the term unincorporated association. Documents for juridical persons accounts. For opening accounts of juridical persons not specifically covered in the earlier part, such as societies, universities, and local bodies like village panchayats, certified copies of the following documents or the equivalent e-documents thereof shall be obtained. Documents showing name of the person authorized to act on behalf of the entity. Documents of the person holding an attorney to transact on its behalf, and such documents as may be required by the bank to establish the legal existence of such an entity or juridical person. Thank you very much for your patience.